Tattoo about the murder shit.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy AP, man. Today we got like a special video. I'm finna be driving my brother's 10-speed Mustang. Got a little errand to run. We finna hit the exhaust shop while he's at work, switch out his X pipe to an H pipe and rearrange the O2 sensor bonds for him. And we just finna ride out, see how the car drives. I never drove a 10-speed Mustang before. It's gonna be my first time driving it. So it's gonna be more of like a POV video for real. So, you know, just cruising, listening to how the car sound. Maybe playing with the paddle shifters and stuff like that. So that's what we're doing today. I'm currently in my car right now. I'm waiting for him to pull up. Then we're gonna switch cars right quick, and then we just gonna get into it. But overall, it's just gonna be a chill ride for real. I might talk a little bit, cause I mean I ain't never drove one before, but I mean this is what we doing. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. All right, y'all. We are currently in the 10-speed Mustang on our way to the exhaust shop. POV drive. I ain't gonna lie, this motherfucker drives smooth as shit. I ain't gonna hold y'all up. Gotta hold the camera and shit the right way. Which way we finna go? We finna go. Don't want to take the interstate. Fuck it. We just gonna go this way. Yeah, we got the H pipe right there, got the bones right there, so we moving. I ain't gonna lie, this shit nice. Oh yeah. I ain't gonna lie, yeah, this shit feels so nice. Let me put my seatbelt on. I ain't gonna lie, this shit's so weird. I'm used to driving the manual, but this is automatic, so I was literally looking for the damn clutch button. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Nigga was really looking for the clutch button. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Put this bitch in sport mode. This shit hard. Maybe I should have got one of these bitches. I ain't gonna cap. But if I did have to, if I had a choice to go back and do it again, I probably got an 18 and up manual though. I like how that transmission smooth, and I love how the auto rev match goes. But yeah, this shit nice though. I ain't gonna lie. This shit feel good though. For real. I don't know, I gotta get used to this shit. And be clean. lie to y'all. I really don't know how to use paddle shutters. Oh, that shit crazy. Oh, that shit crazy. I really don't know how to use them bitches for real. Shit fire though. Shit fire though, for sure. I'm finna hit University right quick. Gotta take the long way. Cause the O2 is sticking at the bottom and we scraping, so we gotta go the other way. You know what I'm saying? It should be coming up on the left turn. Enterprise. We're gonna keep straight. Oh damn, I turned. I missed it. I gotta turn around. Missed the exit. Gotta do a U-turn. U-turn. I ain't gonna lie. This shit hard as fuck. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. The cruise. Man, that shit cold as fuck, man. Okay. Okay. I'm fucking with it. I'm fucking with it. I'm trying to exhaust to the track. Turn that back. This shit for sure clean. Good lord. This bit feel like a real race car. Like, damn. I know my shit be loud, but this shit sound nice. It sound nice because it just does it automatically, man. I ain't gonna cap. I ain't gonna cap. This shit does it nice. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna turn that bitch back to regular. Real quick. Turn that bitch back to regular. Turn that bitch back to... Turn that bit back down, you know what I'm saying? Turn that bit back to normal, because we just cruising. Cruising and shit. So yeah, man, we're on our way to Athens, Muffler. From there, see if we can get some stuff kinked out, something switched. You know what I'm saying? Man, I ain't gonna lie to you, I just upgraded my phone to the iPhone 15. I ain't gonna lie, This motherfucker camera is amazing. It's just amazing. It's just amazing for real. Yeah, this shit amazing. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. This shit mad amazing. I can definitely see myself driving one of these bitches for real. But I ain't gonna lie, pushing that pedal all the way fucking down, man, oh man. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, bro. This shit crazy. This shit's so crazy. What are you talking about? Oh shit. Ooh, I ain't doing that no more. I'm chill. As y'all can see, we are currently at the muffler shop. It is bright as fuck outside. At this muffler on my brother's car, waiting to get this work done. So yeah, gotta make sure you gotta have your coffee now. Now, this motherfucker hard as fuck. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. This bit, I hope scary. That's a Hellcat killer. That's all I'm gonna say. I ain't got nothing against y'all, but that bitch fast. For sure. For shit sure. Man, so while I'm chilling in the muffler shop, right? Look what I see on TV. I'm trying to tell y'all, get with y'all boy, man. Get with y'all boy. Man, y'all go watch this video, man. If y'all like motherfuckers sliding and shit, go watch this video, bro. That got me on TV, cuz. At the muffler shop. You know what I'm saying? I'm vanilla, baby. I ain't no killer. I'm vanilla, bro. Gang, bro. Follow us on Instagram too, man. That's the whole game, bro. We got all different types of colors. We got what you need. All right, y'all. So we got the car back from the situation. Just improper install. That's all. Car running great. Sound good. No more rattling. As you can see, no more rattling. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? No more rattling. She sound good. So now, I'm finna take her back home and give her back to my brother. I enjoyed this shit. I ain't gonna lie. This shit was fucking awesome. I ain't gonna lie. But I'm ready to get back to my baby. You know what I'm saying? I miss my baby, so that's what we finna do. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, time to bring her back home. Bring her back home. She popping. She talking. She feeling good. She's feeling so good.